are you ready to go camp? But if you check the taillights of your caravan, do you do the same like I do? You're all packed, the caravan is hooked and you're ready to go camp. At that last minute before you leave, you ask your wife to stand at the back of the caravan and make sure if the taillights are working. Okay, lights.
It's working.
Flicker left.
It's working.
Flicker right.
Working.
Brakes.
Not working.
Okay, just check the brakes again.
Not working.
The brake lights are not working. Let's go and check it. One thing is for sure, you cannot tow a heavy caravan on a public road with a faulty or a non-working taillight, as this may endanger yourself or other road users. You have to sort out the taillights before you leave. You have two choices. Either you can repair the fault yourself, as it is normally only a blown bulb, a loose connection, a loose wire or a blown fuse. If you cannot sort out the problem, there's a second choice, and that is to contact an auto electrician. Whatever the solution, such a faulty taillight may delay your departure with an hour or two, or even with a day or two. It is understandable that no one wants to do the effort the day or two before you go camping to take out the caravan of storage, hook it onto the towing vehicle just to check the taillights. It's just too much effort. But there is a much easier way. Keep watching this video. Now to test the taillights of your caravan, it's simple and easy. If you've got this, it's a taillight tester. It's easy to use. You can see that it's got two sides. It's one for the caravan and the other one for the towing vehicle. So let's just plug this in and I'll show you how it works. Now first of all is that the caravan does not have any electrical power from the taillights. This tool however has a battery at the back that powers up the system. So you press this power button, this yellow button on the side, and that will illuminate the lights. If the lights are illuminated, it's an indication that taillights are working. This light separately indicates each light, like the left flicker, the right flicker, the left brake, the right brake, and the lights on the left and the right hand side. So if any of that lights does not work, it will not illuminate, and an indication that there's a fault. This tool also gives you the color codes, like yellow for the left flicker, green for the right flicker, brown for the right brake light, and so on. So it's easy to trace the wire and then know which one needs to be fixed. On this you can see that all the lights are illuminated except for that blue the blue line, because that is a fog light and the caravan does not have a fog light. So with this tester it's quick and easy. I can see that all the lights are illuminated, which is indication that all the lights are working and in order. So let's go and check the side of the towing vehicle. Now to test the taillights of your towing vehicle, it's also simple and easy with this tool. You just plug this in. That indicates the car side or the towing vehicle side. Now this power of the tool will not illuminate the lights because the vehicle has its own power. You will need to use that to check the illumination of the lights. So what you need to do is to switch on the ignition and then switch on each light individual, like the left flicker, the right flicker, the brakes and the lights, and that light will then illuminate, indicating that that light is working. If it does not illuminate, of course the light is faulty. This also indicates the coloring of the light, like the yellow for the left flicker, the green for the right flicker, and so on and so on. So if there's a fault, you can easily trace that coloring wire and repair it on your vehicle. But let's go and switch on the ignition and test each light individually. Also, you can see that it's fairly easy and simple to test the taillights of your towing vehicle. Well, I hope that this video gave you some idea how to easily check the taillights of your caravan using a testing tool. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please press that like button and give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.